What are the best settings for engraving and cutting fabric with the xTool F2 laser engraver? This was filmed after our xTool demo room with stones and findings session. My guest Mina, who owns Sobar, wanted to test out fabric engraving and cutting. I'll link the full demo room video once it becomes live. Here are some of our test results.
So what did you do it under? So this is better.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So that's good to know.
Whoa,
Oh, that's why it's fast. It is fast.
it's hot.
Wait. Oh, it did.
Oh,
Okay, so there was more smoke.
this is more slow. No, it didn't cut through.
It didn't cut through the paper. So you spend a lot of time trying different things out.
That cut through. That cut through.
Yes.
I can see it already.
Yeah. Good eye. So